up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be part one of my winter hair routine. So right now we're going to start off with the wash routine because my hair is super dry. So we're going to focus on cleansing the hair without stripping it. And that's a big thing for me in the winter time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Coconut and Hibiscus line. I'm using their co-wash conditioner. And like I said, this won't strip my hair of any nutrients. I don't feel like my hair feels really dry after this, and especially since I just colored my hair not even a full week ago, I want to use something that's going to be really gentle and moisturizing and cleansing on my skin. So I want that 3-in-1, and it also was creamy enough to detangle, and I used a white tooth comb to detangle. All right, so you're going to just rinse that product out, and I just rinsed it out. I tried to get all of the product out of my hair and then remove any excess water, and then I'm going to go into the treatment mask. And I love this entire Jamaican Black Castor Oil line from Shea Moisture. I've been using it for like 7 months now, and this mask really helps. It just sort of boosts my curl pattern a little bit, if that makes sense. It really is going to soften the hair. It's going to give you natural shine, and you'll see after I'm done with this process, like just how shiny my natural hair without any product looks. And it's just, it gives you shine, it gives you moisture, and it really helps to sort of repair and promote growth as well. It has that Jamaican Black Castor Oil, which is really incredible for promoting hair growth. So I leave that in for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to completely rinse it out. And you can just see my hair just look shiny. And even in this clip right here, I have no product in my hair. I basically made sure my hair was fully dry, and I'm going to start the trimming process, but you can see my hair is super shiny, and it has no product in it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've sectioned my hair off. I'm going to detangle the section first, and then I'm going to grab a small section first and start to just basically trim these fuzzy ends. And I'm not going to do like a lot of cutting or anything, but I noticed that, you know, originally after my last cut, my most recent cut, that I still had some long layers and, you know, uneven parts of my hair that I needed to just trim up. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just making sure that I get rid of any dead ends. 2018, it's a new year. I need new hair goals. I want my hair to get back to its health. And I've basically chopped out a lot of what was blonde hair. I still definitely have a good amount of that left, but trimming your hair is just so important if you want to, you know, focus on growing your hair, and if you want to focus on healthy hair. It's just good to cut the split ends off. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cocktail these 3 products. It's the mousse, it is the Coconut and Hibiscus hair smoothie, and the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And I like to cocktail products in the winter time because it just sort of gives you this really nice, like a few layers of just moisture and hold. And then the Jamaican Black Castor Oil promotes hair growth. It's really good. You can use it on your hair and scalp. It smells good, and it makes my hair super shiny. It doesn't weigh it down. You only need a little bit. And I feel like it really is just a wonderful hair, like a natural oil sealant. So if you're looking for a sealant, this is definitely one of my favorites. But I cocktailed all of these together, making sure that I added a little bit of extra product on the ends. You want to just protect your hair all the way around. So I'm cocktailing it to give it, you know, moisture, hold, and shine, and, you know, to basically take care of my scalp as well, and just to give it, you know, give your hair just a nice cocktail to sip on. You feel me? the next day, I'm gonna take my hair down when they're fully dry, but you can see this shine. Like, my hair was so shiny. It felt so nice. And it felt really soft. It didn't feel really like weighed down. My hair, the texture of my hair felt actually very light, which is really, really good. And I have shorter hair too, so it's lighter, but just the, you know, it didn't feel weighed down or like heavy, which lets me know usually if a product is too emollient rich for me. But these are my results, you guys. I really am digging the cocktail and just this whole process. So this is what I will be doing for the rest of the winter. And then in my next video, I'll go over some more things that I'm going to be doing for my hair to take care of it during the winter months. All right, you guys, like this video and subscribe if it was helpful. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.